Okay, so the Silat takedown and wrapping around the ankle and hyperextending the knee joint. So as he comes in, it's something generally in a higher position. You're going to evade it either by ducking under or moving to the side, and you come down from there. The scarf impinges the thigh movement. You're not going to take him down from there because it's not going to have that much effect, but concurrent with that you can come in and do our knee kizawaza 1, 2. From here you could just sweep quickly, take him out. We're not going to come from there and drop him that way. We're going to take him back. So I've taken him back, so that's mainly happening through my right knee. As he goes back, I come here and I want to make sure he doesn't kick me, so I wrap around here and move to the side. And from here, once I've got that, I'm going to stretch him out a bit. This is the equivalent of an arm bar, really, except I'm going to do it to his knee. Stretching him out helps. As he said before, when I tighten through here, that's not pleasant to his ankle, which gives you more compliance. Thank you. So from here, he's stretched out, and I need to swing around. In real life I do it with more vigour, but here I'm going to be a bit more careful. I need to take my knee, just below his knee. I need to pull his foot, see I've got it 45 degrees, because that's the angle. I still have it stretched out, and I've also taken his leg out to the side because that gives him less ability to fight back. I'm going to ground, I'm going to push my knee into him, and I'm going to start to stretch up and pull back till he taps. Okay, good.